Breakfast time, y'all.
All right, y'all, we're at our next destination for this trip.
Where we at?
They gonna have to wait and see. I'm gonna let y'all see. Like, this is the first time that I've done this. I'm a little nervous, but should I tell them where we're going? What we're doing? Ooh.
They gonna see.
Y'all gonna see. Y'all stay tuned. Let us go get checked in and figure what we're gonna do with this. What'd you say? Put you down for a minute, pick you back up?
Yeah.
We're gonna get in here and see what's going on. Y'all stay tuned.
We gonna edit that out.
No, we not. It's only 7 o'clock, okay? And he over here yawning.
I ain't slept good since I've been here. Not one night. Look, if you sleep 3 hours, that's not good. That's just 3 hours of sleep.
Okay, well, why? Okay. Well, we have checked in to our next adventure.
I'm finna take a good nap on her.
Okay, we're gonna see about that. We got checked in. I don't know why they had us come so early, because our scheduled time is not till 7:30, and it is 7. We got here at 6:45, so we got about 30-minute wait.
They adjusted for CP time.
Hey, but they want your credit card so that you make sure you be here on time. So guess what? We was here on time because you ain't charging us.
Twice.
But, so yeah, so I'm a little nervous. I'm not shaky just yet, you know what I'm saying? But as I get closer to getting ready to go out there, ooh, maybe. You nervous?
Nah. I hope she don't go out there and be like Willie Beeman.
I've done that before.
Give up all the goodies.
Okay, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So we are taking a helicopter ride. We didn't get to pick our seats. They picked them for us. But but we in this thing.
Yeah. It depends on your weight.
We about to take off, y'all.
Buckled in up front.
Fingers crossed.
I think you have shoulder straps you gotta put on for me. Oh, no.
Okay, here we go. Let's get ready.
Good.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
We made it back.
It's pretty damn smooth.
That was pretty amazing. I did enjoy that.
What do you think? So it's pretty cool.
Yes.
Yeah, that was dope.
That was pretty cool.
I wasn't expecting it to be that smooth. Yeah, right.
Is the wind helping me out today?
Oh gosh.
I'll take your headset for over here. So that's gonna go right behind the filter.
And we gotta get these seatbelts. Okay, here we go. Got it. Oh, alrighty, y'all.
Head for me.
Yeah, that ride was smooth as hell.
Son!
Yes.
See photos of this Maverick.
Okay, go get you some. This is what we were in, y'all. This is what we were in. Let me go get some. And now he's getting it ready for the next flight. It actually wasn't too bad. Inside. 2 minutes. This is what we just did. We are on the hunt to find the sphere. We seen it in the air, we seen it on the ground from a window, but now we want to actually get to it, so that's where we're going. All right, stay tuned. Here, y'all, we found the sphere. I'll show y'all what this is all about.
I might be down there.
Look at that thing.
Yeah.
Right there. Oh, wow. We found it. That thing is big, y'all. In person, the video makes it look like it's so small, but in person, that thing is huge. From what we've seen, the tickets are about $100. Oh, they start a little less than that, depending on where you're trying to sit at to get inside to see the show. But there it is. That's the sphere, y'all. Next stop. Oh, something smells good. Next stop is the. Huh? No, the shopping is up. So the shopping takes all the way across. That's this casino down there. Okay, we are in the Palazzo and the Venetian down there, is casino, but up here you can actually walk across from these, a lot of the hotels, not everyone, but a lot of them. So this one here, you can walk in from the Palazzo and get to the Venetian. So that's what we're about to do. And all kind of shops up in here.
We ain't shopping.
What we doing?
We ain't here for that. We passing through.
To do what?
To stay warm. You know what I'm saying?
So yeah, we're using the cut-throughs to get back to our hotel, which is about, what, a mile down the road?
About 1.5.
Yeah, about 1.5 down the road. So it's kind of cold outside, and so we just gonna, you know, cut on through and sightsee and bring y'all along with us. So y'all stay tuned. We are entering into the Venetian, and look, it looked like we outside, but guess what? We is inside, and this is where the gondola rides are. Oh, how you getting up? Yeah, that's more than double down there. Again, we've changed the atmosphere. We're still inside, but you feel like you're this is too freaking neat. Always find a Harley. Let's see what they got